Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick way to make garlic butter salmon. Here I'm using salmon steaks. I've got 1 kg. I'm not going to show you how I make all of it, just 2. But what you want to do is season your salmon with Aromat, fish seasoning, mixed herbs, salt and black pepper. I used about half or a little bit less of a teaspoon of each, and you're going to lightly season both sides of the salmon. Lightly, guys, you don't want it to be too much, otherwise your dish is going to be too salty. So once that's done, you're going to get your griddle pan and you're going to put in 2 large heaps of butter and move it around, melt the butter. You don't want the pan to be too hot, so just put it in a medium-high heat so that the butter doesn't burn, but instead it lightly melts and lightly caramelizes. I also do add chopped garlic to this dish. As I said, this is a very quick and easy way, so I'm using already chopped garlic, and I'm going to move it around in the pot so that the flavour gets through all the butter. I did also add some honey, but I forgot to show that in the clip. So also add some honey to the pan, and what it's going to do is going to lightly caramelize. Now add your salmon steaks to the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan, otherwise it's going to become too oily and everything is just going to break up, so just make sure there's space between your salmon steaks. Check to see that it's not burning, and after about 2 minutes you're going to carefully flip the salmon. Do not flip it the way that I did, because I did burn myself. So while it's cooking, you just want to get some of the garlic butter sauce and throw it on top of the salmon steaks. This is also going to cook the top part while the bottom part is cooking, and all the flavours is going to seep into the salmon. This part is very simple. Just to make it look pretty, cut some lemon slices and put it on top of the salmon. We're going to also sprinkle some parsley, some fresh chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh ones, you can use the ones in the bottle, doesn't matter. And also my favourite, some chili flakes. So there you have it, guys. That's how you make a very juicy garlic butter salmon. It's super easy. It can be done in under 25 minutes and can be served with potatoes, salad, anything you desire. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Subscribe.